Welcome back, you legends! Buckle up, because today we're diving into the wildest, most jaw-dropping road rage moments ever caught on dashcam. We've got brake checks gone wrong, drivers losing their minds, and some seriously unhinged behavior you need to see to believe. Hit that like button if you've ever witnessed road rage IRL, and let's get rolling. You're driving so erratic, even Google Maps gave up and said, "You're on your own, pal." Did you learn to drive from a video game with cheat codes enabled? I think your car's trying to set a personal record for near-death experiences. You're not speeding, you're just practicing for the teleportation audition. Is your steering wheel just a suggestion at this point? Your car's horn must be exhausted from apologizing for you. You're driving like you're allergic to straight lines. Did you mistake the road for a roller coaster track again? I bet your car prays for a parking spot every night. You're not a driver, you're a chaos conductor. Your turn signals are just decorative at this point, huh? Did you think speed limit was a personal challenge? You're driving so wild, the potholes are dodging you. I didn't know bumper cars came with a highway edition. You're driving like the cops are chasing you, but it's just your imagination. Is your car possessed? Or are you just that bad at this? You're giving stunt drivers a bad name, and they jump off cliffs for fun. Your car's alignment must be screaming for therapy. Did you borrow your driving skills from a toddler playing Mario Kart? You're not merging, you're just yeeting into traffic. I bet your car's airbags are on a first-name basis with you. You're driving so crazy. Even the GPS lady sounds panicked. Did you think lane discipline was a new dance move? You're driving like you're late for your own car crash. Your car's tires deserve a medal for surviving you. Is your speedometer just a decoration, or do you actually check it? You're not weaving through traffic. You're knitting a disaster. Did you get your driver's license from the dark web? Your car's suspension must be begging for retirement. You're driving like you're auditioning for Mad Max Budget Edition. I bet your car's manual has a chapter titled, "How to Survive You." You're driving so nuts, the squirrels are calling you reckless. Did you think right of way meant right now, my way? You're not braking, you're just flirting with disaster. Your car's paint job must be chipped from all the close calls. Is your driving instructor still in therapy? You're turning every intersection into a game of chicken. Did you mistake the highway for a demolition derby? Your car's engine must be fueled by pure adrenaline. You're driving like you've got a vendetta against traffic laws. I bet your car's mirrors are just there for moral support. You're driving so wild, even the road signs are confused. Did you think yield meant yell and speed up? You're not a driver, you're a one-man car chase. Your car's gotta be tired of playing guess the lane. Is your gas pedal stuck, or are you just that impatient? You're driving like you're late for the apocalypse audition. Did you think parallel parking meant paralyze everyone watching? Your car's shocks must be filing a workers' comp claim. You're not speeding. You're just testing the theory of relativity. You're driving like you're trying to win most creative use of a car at the Chaos Awards. Did your car come with a manual? Or did you just wing it with vibes and prayers? You're driving so wild, even the speed cameras are like, nah, I'm not catching that. I bet your car's odometer is just counting therapy miles at this point. You're not swerving. You're just giving the road a dramatic hug. Did you think defensive driving meant defending your right to be a menace? Your car's gotta be begging for a vacation from your foot. You're driving like you're late to pick up your Nobel Prize in recklessness. Is your horn just... You're driving like you're auditioning for Wreck-It Ralph, the Highway Edition. Did your car's brakes file for a restraining order yet? Ha! You're driving so wild, the road's thinking about quitting. I bet your car's dashboard lights are just SOS signals in disguise. You're not speeding. You're just practicing for the Chaos Olympics. Did you think stop sign was short for stop and admire my skills? Your car's gotta be jealous of roller coasters with all those twists. You're driving like you've got a personal grudge against traffic cones. Is your steering wheel just a prop, or do you actually use it? Your car's tires must be writing a tell-all memoir after surviving you. Did you learn to drive from a pinball machine tutorial? You're not merging. You're just cramped surfing with horsepower. You're driving so nuts, even the GPS says, I'm out, figure it out. I bet your car's horn is hoarse from all the apologizing. Did you think one-way street meant one way to chaos? Your car's gotta be praying for a flat tire just to get a break. You're not weaving, you're just choreographing a car ballet. Is your speed limit the speed of light, or are you still testing it? You're driving so wild, the deer are warning each other about you. Did you mistake the gas pedal for a go berserk button? You're driving like you're trying to set a new land speed record in a parking lot. I bet your car's alignment guy is a millionaire thanks to you. Your turn signals must be on strike. They're never showing up. You're not a driver, you're a stunt double for disaster.